Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today to explore another fantastic word. Today's word is better. It's an A2 level adverb, and it means in a superior way. So, when we use better, we're talking about something that's of a higher quality or more desirable than something else. For example, if your coffee today is better than yesterday's, you might say, "This coffee tastes better." This means it's more enjoyable. Think of it as an improvement. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words that are similar to better include superior and preferable. You could say, "This new phone has a superior camera," showing it's of higher quality, or "Taking the bus is preferable to walking when it rains," indicating that it's the more suitable option. Now, what about words that have the opposite meaning? Antonyms for better include words like worse and inferior. An example might be, "The weather today is worse than yesterday," which obviously means not as nice or not as good. Or you could say, "This old model is inferior to the new one," again implying it's not as good. How can you use better in everyday life? Well, very easily. We often use it in comparisons such as, "I feel better today," meaning you feel healthier, or "She sings better than him," showing her skill is higher. You might hear, "It's better to arrive early than late," or "You should try that new restaurant. The food is better." Also, phrases like "for better" or "for worse" are common, showing both the good and bad aspects. We often use better when suggesting improvements. "It would be better if you waited," or offering advice. "It's better to be safe than sorry." Here are a few more sentences using better. "He performed better than expected." The new version is better in many aspects. "She is getting better at playing the piano." "It might be better to take a break now." "He needs to try to do better next time." In summary, better as an adverb means in a superior way, and we use it all the time for comparisons, improvements, and to show something is preferable. Remember, we learned some synonyms like superior and preferable and some antonyms like worse and inferior. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I truly appreciate your time. If you like the show and want to help other learners find us, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. And I would love it if you created your own sentence using better and shared it in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.